Hi guys, PA Outdoors here. I'm going to switch you around so we can see us. Hi guys, Paul and Ryan here, and it's a beautiful April day, April 8th today, and we are here at the Stillwater covered bridge. Is it bridge number, was it 134?
34.
All right, and it was erected in 1849. Okay, there you go. 34, 49, all this dyslexic chaos. Hut, hike. No snowmobiles on bridge. That's a thing. Here we go. All right.
This seemed unusual, the way that the boards are
Yeah.
in.
No driving around this one anymore.
It's very uneven.
There you go. And there's the Burr Arch, I guess you would call that.
Yes.
Double Burr. Two of them. And I guess this one is called the King Post in the middle. We do have a signing book. This will be signed. Will be signed. It's about right where it stops. We have to go get a pen, so we'll sign that. Maybe if I do this, put that in there when they open it. Ho 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 ho! Channel sticker. Who knows? Maybe I'll talk to her. Here you go. Stillwater Bridge, built in 1849 at the cost of $1,124. This bridge is being restored. Is being restored by the Clement County Covered Bridge Association. Kind of looks $1,124. Looks like how much money got put into my house. All right, well, a nice little window too. You could fish in a rainstorm here without a problem. This is Fishing Creek that is below us, I do believe. Yeah, this is Big Fishing Creek. I live next to Little Fishing Creek. This does meet up. Fishing Creek and Little Fishing Creek do meet up right above the town of Bloomsburg. I would say the only town in Pennsylvania. However, I believe there is a new town, a town somewhere in the west part of PA did restructure its governmental kind of ways, I guess you want to say, and they might be classified as a town now, because I guess the classification of your government, of how the town's run, way too technical for my small feeble brain, but we're walking through it. A nice place to have a nice breakfast, or breakfast, I meant picnic. I said breakfast. Well, I guess you could have breakfast here. And then here's Stillwater on the other side. There we go. Stillwater Bridge, 134. Let's see if we can kind of sneak over here, try to give you a side view. There we go. Trout season is upon us in Pennsylvania. All right. Probably have to go to the other side to really probably get underneath the bridge. Yeah. I don't know. Looks like people kind of traverse it.
Yeah, I think that's their backyard.
I'm going to go to the other side. Be right back. You can see a bridge from inside a bridge. Double bridged. Okay, we're here on the other side. Let's check out underneath. I have my fishing pole in the car. Should probably do some. Look at this. All right, straight underneath it. All wood. Look at that. There's the bridge. That's Route 1 or 487. There's people more memorialized in wood. Not too many. There's some ruins. That's pretty cool. I think it's skipping time. Plop. Oh, there you go. That was a good skip. All right. Okay.
Under
Yeah, you could really see it compressed.
a covered bridge.
Yeah.
That's pretty
Underneath
cool.
the covered bridge.
That is pretty cool.
All right. Here we are. Well, it's Paul and Ryan, PA Outdoors couple. Here we are, Stillwater, another covered bridge for Columbia County, marked off the list. We have a bunch coming, so especially around where we live. Then until the next time, cheers and get outdoors. Bye.